Holy shit, that's a big fucking camera.
Cantando la se va por los mares, pero no murmures porque vaya sola.
I'm in Barcelona, Spain, and this is Sarah, and she invited me into her home, and what are we doing today?
Cooking paella.
Making paella! So paella is a traditional Spanish dish.
Yes, it's a really traditional dish in Spain. We don't eat paella for something really special, and we don't eat paella really often. It's something on the weekend with family, friends, something really social and relaxing. Yeah.
And then today, are we eating it with meat and fish, or just seafood?
Two different kinds of paella.
Okay.
We have today one with meat and one with fish.
Great!
Seafood.
We can try both. Alright, I'm so excited. Let's get cooking. No chorizo in paella. So there's 3 different kinds of animal in here. Pork and chicken and that's it. Meat, vegetables. Oh, and rabbit. Oh, there's rabbit. Which one's rabbit? This is chicken. Oh, this is I think rabbit. Yeah. Some rabbit. More or less.
Perfect.
So this is how they do it in Spain. They take a clove of garlic and they rub it on the bread. It's their version of garlic bread. And then they cut a little bit of a tomato and they rub the tomato on the bread too. Like this. Alright, and then a little bit of salt.
Okay, 1 second. I want to see
And
how to do it.
top it with olive oil. And there you go. Appetizer. This is the meat one, and this is the seafood one. And I'm going to try the meat one first. It has a very smoky flavor. It's really flavorful. The rice is perfect. Like the texture, it like melts in your mouth. It's really good. So we made the meat paella today and the seafood paella. So paella, would you say it's like the traditional Spanish dish that kind of brings kind of food and family together?
Yes, it's really, normally when we cook paella, we cook for a big group, we stay all together, we share the cooking. We can compare it with a barbecue, so it's like the whole day experience.
It's a whole experience, yeah. I feel like the common thread in every culture is just family and food. And so I feel like paella is that dish that's like an all day long thing that kind of just brings the family together, which is amazing. So, okay, well thank you so much for letting me into your home and having me, and honestly this paella was amazing and it was just tasted authentic and it's just special that I got to have it here. So thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.